example, the IPRA has got...
On the BBC report on child prostitution, I think it's a very serious matter. And I think the authorities must address it, social services must address it. But I think it's also good to say that, there's also a sense in which some of our countries are, they only get publicity when it's a bad thing. There are 1,000 great things happening around here. And I'm not trying to underrate prostitution, but it is all over the world, including even in that place where they come from. So I think also we should not allow ourselves to be distracted. It's a small issue to the extent that it is localized, and even at the county level it can be addressed. However, it does not mean Mai Mahiu is one big, no, that it's small, localized, and I think I want to urge the county, together with the social services, to address.
And we need a barcode that can really